Alright guys, we're going to make this super simple. First we're going to start off with a spoolie, and we're just going to spoolie all those little crazy hairs out of in place and everything. And today I'm using something different. I'm actually using a brow pencil by Wet n Wild, and I absolutely love this pencil. I've actually been using it for about a week now. It's super easy to use. The only thing that I don't like is that the product will break on you. So you got to be careful with that. But yeah, what you want to do is first you just want to carve out your natural lash, and you want to do the bottom first, then you want to do the top, and then you want to go in and you want to start just filling in that brow. And my eyebrows are not twins, they not sisters, they like distant cousins today. I don't know, I think I might have been having an off day, but I got this requested video and I just wanted to get it out for you guys. But yeah, you just want to fill in those brows. You can do them as dark as you want, as light as you want. It just depends on what it is that you want, and you just kind of want to fix it. Like that front just was not, I don't know what that front was doing, but you just want to fix it so that it looks like an eyebrow. I'm laughing because I was actually watching Mardi, and y'all know Mardi's stupid. But yeah, so now I'm going back in with that spoolie that's attached to the pencil, and I am just, you know, moving that product around so that it won't be so bunched up in the same spots, but I'm just moving that product around. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a little bit of my concealer, and this is my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm just going to clean up the bottom of those brows, and I'm using a e.l.f. $1 brush. It's a flat top brush, and I'm just using that to clean up my brows, and this will give it a more polished look. This step is optional. I would recommend it, but I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to. And during this step you can kind of create whatever arch it is that you want as well. And you do this at the top, and you also do it at the bottom. For an everyday look, I would suggest you using maybe a concealer that's your exact color for your face, or you can use your foundation. I tend to notice that my foundation doesn't always work. I don't know why, maybe because it's thinner. But yeah, so I just use the concealer and just use, you know, a concealer that is your skin tone. I'm just cleaning that up with my Real Techniques what do you call this, blending brush. And the reason why I say I would prefer you to use a concealer that is actually your skin tone is because it can give you that halo effect if you're not going to put any other makeup on. I'm also using this beauty blender here, and it kind of makes it easier. You'll see what I'm doing. I'm just wiping off all the excess from the top because I don't want that halo effect, simply because I'm not wearing any other makeup today or on a regular day. I'll just do my brows, clean it up to where you can't see anything that I conceal with to make them more precise. And I might do some eyeliner, just depends on how I'm feeling that day. And you could just kind of go back in. I use a Q-tip. I don't know why I didn't use it here, but I usually use a Q-tip and just pretty much wipe everything away that I put up there. I don't even blend it out, I just wipe it away. So you just want to go back in, tweak it however you need to tweak it to your liking, you know, do whatever it is that you need to do to get the desired look that you want. This is actually not my best. I don't even, you know, it's not my best, y'all. But I really just wanted to get this video out for you guys so you can kind of get the gist of making your brows. You can't make a brow, girl. Getting them brows together is what I meant. Just go back and forth, moving product, putting product, moving product, putting product, just to get the desired look that you want. So yeah, this is the final look. This is the final look as far as the eyebrows go. Again, they are not sisters. The one on the left, when you're looking at the screen, is actually pretty good. The one on the right, girl, you look a little sick, but that's okay. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.